Hey guys! So this is the very first video of my brand new YouTube account. I am going to be doing like some dancing on here, but then it's not all going to be dancing. So I'm gonna do like stupid stuff and funny stuff, and I'm so excited. But for now, I'm just gonna make a boring old dancing video. Do some funnies. Lost it, guys. I give up. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.